Hi, this is Legacy Handyman. Today we're going to show you how to cut hydraulic line and bleed the Sram level brakes. In order to do this, we're going to need the brake bleed kit. You can buy all the parts and materials we use in this video in the link below. The new brakes come with that plastic spacer, and we're going to insert it so it stays here. It's got a little notch. It stays on that pin. Okay, this brake's using DOT 5.1 brake fluid. Sram has its own brand. They sell it twice as much as we got it in the link below. So any DOT 5.1 brake fluid is gonna work. Comes with a bunch of adapters. We're gonna use one of those so you can put that clear hose on it. And tighten it up. Now we're going to connect it to syringe and get rid of all the air. Adapters are for two different things. This is the Sram ones. Now we're going to get second syringe ready. We're going to use the same setup. A little plastic clear hose goes here, little piece locks it up, and all of it goes inside the syringe. Halfway or even more, and put the clip on it. Lock it up. Now we're going to adjust the lever horizontal so it's easier to work with. 5mm Allen wrench. Set it up this way. This side of the line, that's what we're going to cut. These brakes come with the new flare ring, and just note which way it's going in to the lever. So it's going in this way, and now all we're going to do is cut the line. You don't want to cut it too short, but at the same time you should be able to turn. We're going to insert this part inside the line. We're going to use T8 Torx wrench to screw it in all the way. So now you can see the threads on this side. It's left-hand threaded, so instead of turning it clockwise, turn it counterclockwise. Hand tight. Now we're ready to install it into the brake lever. Use 8mm wrench. Now we're ready to undo number 10 Torx on this side. Now we're using same Sram adapter. Now we're gonna push half of the liquid into this syringe right here. That's about half. Then close it. We're closing this side. No air bubbles were coming out. Now we're gonna remove it. You will have some spillage, so get ready to get a paper towel or something to wipe it down. Make sure no air coming into the system, and just close this shut. Once this is shut, we're going to use the carburetor cleaner to remove all the oil out of the brake pads and everything around here. With that side is already shut, closed, we're going to use this lever to pump the brakes a little bit, make sure it's working. Remove it again, apply some negative vacuum. Apply some pressure again. Pump it a couple of times. Now we're ready to remove it. When you're pumping it, you can see because the air, when the air was there, it was going greater distance than it is right now. So applying pressure and pump it up till it's almost it's a little movement. Once it's ready, close the clip, and now we're ready to reinstall the plug. Some fluid will come out. It's no big deal as long as you got a paper towel to wipe it down and no air should go into the system. Wipe it nice. Once you apply the pressure here, make sure nothing is coming out on this side, because that's where we cut it and that's where we open the system. Everything is good. Same carburetor cleaner to get rid of all the unwanted oil here or anywhere you spill it. Now you're ready to reinstall this rubber boot and we're good to go. I'm going to dispose of all of this. If the liquid is good, nice and clean, no contamination in there, I just put it back into the bottle. Or if your fluid is old and does have contamination, dispose of it. Now only left thing to do is assemble everything together. We're gonna remove this bleed block. And put the tire. That was Legacy Handyman. This is how you cut and bleed your brakes by Sram.